Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to create a new assistant doctor. For clarification, the purpose of an assistant doctor is to assist the treating doctor in certain procedures in the practice or in theatre. Assistants can conduct physical exams, diagnose and treat illnesses, order and interpret tests, assist in surgeries, write prescriptions, etc. From the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings window, click on the Entity Setup tab. Take note that the entity setup is set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Click on the Assistant Setup panel to expand it. To start adding a new assistant doctor, click on the Add or Edit Assistant Doctors button. The Assistant Doctor screen will open with all the assistant doctors that have been added onto your system. Next, click on the Add New Doctor button in the Assistant Doctors section. A new row will appear with fields that need to be completed. The status field is the status of the assistant doctor that has been added onto your system. The status field will either be active when a doctor has been created or deleted if you chose to delete the doctor. Ensure that the correct title is chosen for the assistant doctor. However, you can choose the other title options from the drop-down. Add in the initials of the doctor. Add the doctor's surname. Ensure that you add their practice number correctly, as this number will be sent with the patient's claim to their medical aid. If the practice number is incorrect, the claim will be rejected by the medical aid. For clarification, a practice number is allocated based on the authority granted to the BHF by the Council for Medical Schemes to allocate practice numbers to doctors for relevant healthcare services. Ensure that you add their SAMDC correctly. For clarification, the SAMDC is the Doctors' Council/registration number that is issued by the medical board. Add their practice's telephone number. Add the doctor's personal cell phone number. Add their practice's fax number. Add the email address of the doctor or the practice. Add the physical address of the doctor where they are located. The postal address of the doctor can also be the same as the physical address if applicable. Add the doctor's qualifications, such as their degrees. Please take note that not all fields are required to be completed. Important fields include title, initials, surname, practice number, SAMDC, cell phone number, and email address. Once you're done, click on the Save Doctors button. Your newly added assistant doctor will also display under the Assistant Setup panel. If you wish to edit, update, or even delete an assistant doctor, click on the Add or Edit Assistant Doctors button in the Assistant Doctors Setup panel. To edit or update an assistant doctor's details, click on the orange Edit button. To delete the assistant doctor, click on the red Delete button. When you do delete an assistant doctor, the red Delete button will change to a green Undelete button. Simply click on the green Undelete button to make an assistant doctor active again. Once you're done, click on the Save button on the Settings window to save your changes. Otherwise, click on the Close button. Before we finish, it's very important that an assistant is linked to a creditor for the reports to work correctly, to ensure that assistants are paid at the right time and to see when they are paid. For the time being, this needs to be done on the desktop app. Please find the user manual link on how to create and link a creditor to an assistant on the desktop app in the video's description.